The wait is over. Xiaomi has done it again with the Xiaomi 15 Ultra phone that's redefining mobile photography. Is this the new camera king? Let's find out in this in-depth review. Welcome to our channel Eye2Future Design and Display, 016 to 1 o'clock. First things first, the design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra continues the legacy of premium craftsmanship. With a sleek ceramic back, aluminum frame, and a massive circular camera module, this phone screams flagship. But it's not just about looks. The 6.78-inch 2K AMOLED LTPO display is stunning, with 144 Hz refresh rate and 3000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're watching movies or gaming, this display delivers ultra-smooth visuals, performance, and battery powering. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Performance? Blazing fast! Gaming? No frame drops, no heating issues, just smooth gameplay. And let's talk battery. 5,300 mAh with 90W wired and 80W wireless charging. You'll go all day on a single charge, and if you need a quick boost, 50% in just 10 minutes. Camera, the real king. Now here's where the Xiaomi 15 Ultra truly shines, the camera system. We have a quad 50MP setup featuring 50MP Sony LYT-900 primary sensor, 1-inch, insane low-light performance. 50MP periscope, telephoto 5x optical, 120x digital zoom. 50MP ultra-wide epic landscapes. 50MP portrait lens, DSLR level bokeh. Night mode is next level thanks to Xiaomi's AI-powered ISP. Videos quality, 8K recording, super stabilization, and even cinematic mode. This phone is a true DSLR killer. Software and features running on HyperOS based on Android 14, Xiaomi has refined the UI to be smoother and feature-packed. From AI-powered photography enhancements to advanced security features, it's a premium experience. Conclusion, is it worth it? 3:31 to 4 o'clock. So, is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra truly the camera king? Absolutely. With its industry-leading camera tech, flagship performance, and gorgeous display, it's one of the best smartphones of 2025. Would you pick this over the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Samsung S25 Ultra? Comment below. Please subscribe our channel for more updates.